Yo. We got the Super Bowl, and I'm not gonna even sit here and lie. I've seen some parts of the game already. The whole fam ate, brunched up everything at night. But the Super Bowl, I ain't gonna lie, that shit was ass. That shit was garbage, and it's not even a hot take. Niggas agree. Like, this shit was ass, bro. Like, what was that? Yo, both offenses were struggling. I might as well give that kicker the MVP. But I'm gonna let y'all know right now. Obviously, I know who won. I watched 2 quarters and a half after the Bad Bunny performance. I watched about half the third quarter, and then I just stopped watching. I'm not gonna lie. Like, even some parts of the first quarter, I wasn't really paying attention because I was driving, getting food for everybody. So I missed some parts of the 5 to 6 minutes of the first quarter. Then I watched the rest of that, second quarter, halftime, half of the third quarter. Then I fell asleep, I think, around the fourth. I fell asleep, woke up, seen the Seahawks win, and that was it. So now I'm about to react to the full highlights. It's 23 minutes long. And, let's see why this is known as one of the worst Super Bowls. It's not the worst, though, 100%. If y'all know ball, y'all know this is not the worst Super Bowl. I'm not going to be that biased or that, what's the word? I think the word is biased, actually. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. All right, let's go. Oh, and I seen that Super Bowl 61 logo. Hey, Eagles making it. Real shit. Yep. 49. Damn, bro. Seahawks all in your dome. Niner fans. Damn, bro. They won a ring in y'all stadium. That shit must have sucked. And they gave y'all an ass whooping. And Niners fans, don't talk shit to me. Y'all know we got a real staff now on offense. Hey. All right, Kenneth Walker. Oh, yeah, and I seen Kenneth Walker did win MVP, so I'm assuming he had a amazing last stretch to seal off the game. Well, then again, there's nothing to seal off. The score wasn't even close. Even though, I don't want an NFC team to win, I'd rather want the Seahawks to win than the Patriots. So I'm glad it ended up the way they did. Barner, okay, yeah. Yep. Oh. Cup, okay. Oh my God. I also seen a clip. I seen a clip of JSN breaking free for a touchdown, a deep touchdown. And Sam Darnold overthrew the ball, bro. That is crazy. But if Hurts would have did that, though, double standards, bro. Tell y'all, bro. Oh, yeah, cut.
They want to undercut those routes. And that was dropped in perfectly.
Smith and Jigba, top of the screen in the slot.
Yep. JSN. Did he score? I don't think so, right? Damn. All right, Carlton Davis. Yes, Myers. He had to have been, bro. Once they announce who the Super Bowl MVP is, they need to release a list of who it could have been, like the rankings of it, like at least the top 5. Myers got to be second or third, bro.
The first points of the game. 8 plays.
He had damn near all 8 points, bro.
Always have to keep your eye on Drake May.
Yeah, y'all hear the pre-dick suck though? Like respectfully, announcer, whatever. I don't know what his name is. Yo, bro. You gotta look out for Drake May. No, you don't. The fuck? Come on, man. Like, y'all see this, though, right? Like, they getting good yards out of it. But, y'all see these screen passes. How they don't get criticized for it. But then, when Hurts does it, or somebody in a midnight green uniform does it, now it's a problem. Sack! I don't even remember this. Derek Hall, okay. Drake May. Uh-oh. Witherspoon.
gets rid of it.
Yep.
Out of the tackle box. There's no receiver.
They should have flagged that shit too. Hey, nobody near there.
Second and 10.
Sam Darnold. Okay, Jason.
Jackson Smith and Jigba.
Yeah, you can tell JSN had the same effect Saquon did in the Super Bowl. They lock in on one guy on defense the whole time. They let the other positions kind of eat. Like, y'all seen how Hurts was throwing dimes to everybody, to AJ, to Smitty, deep balls everywhere in the Super Bowl? Because they was all boxed in and focused on Saquon. Now here, they so focused on JSN that Kenneth Walker got to eat. So it's like, damn. Y'all got to balance it if y'all trying to win against these Offensive Player of the Year, not candidates, but winners.
Oh my God. Oh, hell.
This is what I was talking about. I didn't even know they were going to show it. I thought it already happened. That's so crazy. That's so crazy to me. If any other quarterback, preferably a quarterback of coach, like, I'm not even trying to make it about that. I'm not that type of channel. I'm not that type of person. But I'm just saying though, like Hurts would have never seen the light of day on Twitter. I mean, I don't even think he uses Twitter. He only I think he tweets like once every 6 months or some shit. But still though, like that shit crazy. But they won though, so it's fine. I'll give it a pass. May. All right, that boy Booty. I ain't gonna lie, he need to at least be a superstar just off that one catch. You telling me people missed the tackle on you and you still? All right, whatever. Drake May, 3rd and 15. Damn! Damn, they got Witherspoon playing strong safety damn near. Shit. They got him doing Buda Baker methods. All right, Sam Darnold. Okay, oh, okay, Barner. I ain't gonna lie, Barner. He it's not a breakout year, statistic-wise, but he's scoring a lot this season. Damn. Oh! Well, I'm acting like I don't know what's happening. It's still like, damn, like, when something looks like it's about to get picked, you still react that way. Yeah, he seemed like he was just focused on a tackle. He didn't care about the ball. Darnold. Oh, yeah, Gonzo. That nigga said. Oh, my goodness. Kenneth Walker. Yep. There goes the start of his campaign for the MVP. Yep. I'm so glad they wear their most iconic jerseys for the Super Bowl. I feel like Patriots should have rocked their silver pants. I don't know. Oh wait, no. You gotta wear the dark blue for that. Never mind. Kenneth Walker, another good run. Kenneth Walker. That was a good stop. Oh yeah, that boy Milton Williams. I'm not gonna say he was talking shit. That nigga was throwing subliminals, like how DeMarcus Lawrence did with the Cowboys. Actually, no, I'm gonna take that back. DeMarcus Lawrence didn't fucking throw no subliminals. That nigga threw shots, like that nigga knew Cowboys wasn't gonna do shit. I'm sure I'm not gonna win no Super Bowl there. But I keep making that joke. I need to stop. This is getting unfunny. I ain't gonna lie. Myers again, another field goal. I'm gonna let y'all know which part is starting to get a little unrecognizable for me. Because I'm telling you, I woke up to confetti. A green, midnight blue. I'm calling everything midnight. Okay, Mills. Rookie, okay. Not gonna lie, I seen his face and I seen his name is Riley Mill. Heard his name is Riley Mill and I just realized who that is. I could not tell who that was just by Mills. Damn, Wilson got bullied. And I seen Patriots fans trying to throw Will Campbell under the bus. I'm not gonna say he was good. I ain't gonna lie though. Like, it was other old linemen over here. It was Drake May too. You know what I'm saying? He throwing picks, fumbling and shit. It wasn't just the old line. Y'all gotta chill out with that. Ain't gonna cap. Stephon Diggs. Oh yeah, he got a tough time now after the Super Bowl. Damn, I just realized about his situation. I hope he come out good. Did he sign a 1 year or a 2 year or a 3 year? I forget. I think it was a long-term deal with the Patriots. I'm not sure. Ooh. Oh my God. He don't go down, bro. He don't go down. Oh yeah, they did draft Zabel. Oh. Spillane. Right. 4th and 5th.
He looks great.
4th and 5th. 4th and 5th. Oh no, he did some shit. Okay, what's his name? Dixon? Good shit. Yep. Okay, Douglas. Better chill out, nigga. Fuck. Niggas doing that celebration too much. I ain't gonna lie, Mac Hollins, bro. He always been a threat to me since he was catching deep passes with the Falcons. He always finds a way to get open. I ain't gonna lie. Initially, when I seen the post game, when I seen the whole post game, and every time they penned it over to Coop, they were saying, I thought they were saying Boo the whole time, but they were just saying his last name. I'm over here laughing like, because it's like majority Niner fans, and this is San Francisco. I thought they hated him from his Rams days, so they were just booing him. But they were just saying Coop the whole time. I could be wrong though. I don't know. Good play, Gonzo.
It is a last second.
Yeah, this is a must-see matchup between these two. Oh yeah, he damn near had it.
Almost intercepted. When you try to push that thing down into the end zone, you put it in harm's way, and I think they are lucky.
Field goal attempt.
Yeah. Myers again. Myers again.
That win stuff we showed, he would have been good from 60.
Yep, Myers again, man.
Myers to kick off for the Seahawks. Quarter 3 begins. Short kick. Ernest Johnson.
Okay.
Patriots across the 30 and slung down right around the.
I don't know why I thought that was Stevenson. All right.
He was second in the defensive rookie of the year.
Second half. Henderson. Henderson. All right.
Speed of Trevion Henderson gets something for the Patriots.
It's crazy that they picked this game for him to like. Actually, no, I don't know what they did. Job, man. Another former Eagle that could have done something with us. We were misusing him though, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, Shaheed. He might be signing it. Actually, no, it's Sam Darnold. Shaheed's second place though. For the best signing for Seahawks. Hi, Jason.
That's his 8th target, but only 2nd catch of the game.
You can't continue to get your quarterback hit.
Second catch, 8 targets. Hey, at least they ain't shy away from his targets like Patullo did.
On the ball quick. Darnold keeping this play alive and uses legs across midfield. To the
I did not see this.
6-yard line.
It's actually getting to that point where I think I fell asleep around here. And I remember this right here. Yeah, Kenneth Walker. Yep.
Walker to the 23-yard line.
Somewhere around here I fell asleep. I don't remember which one though.
7 Patriots at the line. They're all coming. Darnold out quick, incomplete. Couldn't get it to Cup. Super Bowl record for
Myers. Oh yeah, I remember this kick.
4 in a game. Several
I remember this kick. Yep.
bad snap, but a good hold. And Myers adds his name to the list of those who've made 4 field goals in a Super Bowl.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Toss. Henderson. Left.
All right, Henderson.
Out to the edge. They put the fullback Westover in to create some space and get out to the 40-yard line.
Diggs, they moved them to Witherspoon. Ooh. Damn. He dropped that? I ain't gonna lie, I don't remember that. I think this is Darnold. Damn. Yeah, I don't remember this. All right, Milton Williams. Big ticket, yeah. Yeah, I remember some of this.
Try Walker inside, get what he can. It's to the 20-yard line. About two-thirds.
Okay.
Is one of the worst
Drake May.
ever by an offense in a Super Bowl. Can they change it? May in trouble.
Damn.
Sack back at the 25-yard line.
Murphy, Byron Murphy.
3rd and 4.
Drake May.
Pressure again with Witherspoon. It's picked up. May through the hands and incomplete. Jigba heading to the tunnel.
Who?
Into the locker room. So he got checked out under the tent. And,
Hold on. My fault. I know y'all probably heard a hella static. That was my mic. Hold on, let me mute it real quick. All right, y'all can hear me. All right. Hold on.
Through the hands and incomplete. Jigba heading to the tunnel.
Nick Jigba?
Into the locker room. So
What happened?
Checked out under the tent and he's used his speed to dunk.
I know he's good because he was walking fine. He's walking fine right here, but he also was walking fine when I seen the post game. He was like interviewing and stuff, so he was in good spirits. I don't think nothing happened.
Look at the offensive player.
And he's on his own right here.
That's right, Mike. When Jackson Smith and Jigba went into the medical tent, the independent concussion specialist followed him.
Oh, he got hit hard.
2.5-minute long exam before the specialist then went over the monitor to review the video of that play that we saw him slow to get up, where you can see his head make contact with the ground. And then it was Jackson who chose to walk off the field.
Okay. Ooh, Gonzo locking shit down, bruh. Gonzo is locking shit down. It don't matter who it is. And I'm gonna hold myself accountable. I was talking shit on Gonzo for a little bit because it was like 3-4 receivers that was catching deep balls on him. I remember Drake London was one of them. I had that reaction. That was crazy to me, how Drake London did that. There was somebody else in the playoffs that did him bad too. But hey, I got that Jalen Hurts buff. You know what I'm saying? Super Bowl, he locked in. You see how I try to involve my players in there? Oh! Okay. Clean hit. 35. Drake May. Step up. Oh! Nigga said, a soft ass tap, nigga. Go sit down. Go sit down on that bench, May. Go sit down on that bench, May. Bing! Oh my goodness. Good play, whoever that was. 58? That was Hall? Damn.
They can't block the guys in a 4-man rush.
Damn.
And if you can't do that, you have almost no chance to win a game. This is, I know people are going to say not enough.
That's how I picture him.
This has been one of the most brilliant performances I have ever seen in the National Football League.
Bro, they never zoomed up on the bench like that after a disappointing play on their team. I've never seen nothing like that before. That nigga said.
3rd and 9, Darnold slings it out to the side.
Alright. But Gonzo trying his best. That nigga disappointed. Like, damn, bro. Can I get some help? Shit. Oh! I thought it was. No. The score will make sense for a touchdown. I was about to say, like, I know it was mostly kicks, but god damn, this early a touchdown? I thought it happened later down the line. Okay, Barner. Telling y'all, bro. You might get some superstar treatment. Madden 27. Okay, Darnold.
Eventually, the dam had to break.
Bang.
He has not.
35, they begin.
Did I predict? I go out one of my playoff videos of reacting to one of these teams. I said Seahawks was gonna easily beat these niggas. Maybe not easily, but I definitely said on record that the Seahawks were gonna win. Like, there's no way somebody seriously thought the Patriots were gonna win. Matt Collins, not surprised. I don't even know the stats for real. Matt Collins might have went off. Oh my God. Yo, it's that side of the field with Woolen, but Woolen just cannot cover. It don't matter how close they are, bro. Woolen just gonna sell, bro. Ain't he a free agent too? Shit, I ain't gonna lie. I know I was talking shit, Woolen, but hey, you still good enough to be our corner too, behind Quinion. You know what I'm saying? You can pull up. You know what I'm saying? Take that vet minimum. Pull up, man. Pull up, man. If your value went down off these performances, use us as a prove it year. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro, just pull up, bro. We need, you know, the lankiness, the tallness, the speed. You know, we need that, Woolen. We need that. Darnold. Okay, Shaheed. Oh, those are some nice ass cleats. I'm just not seeing that. Oh, JSM back.
Out of the locker room as you see him head back onto the field now after his concussion evaluation.
He didn't go out. He didn't go out too sad.
You good? He gave him the affirmative, and Kubiak said, "Let's go score some more."
Ah. See, I didn't see that. Fuck is you running for? Like, damn, y'all scraping for points. All right. Darnold.
And here come the Patriots with pressure.
Darnold. Whoa.
Stepping downfield, breaking free. Shaheed can't bring it in. Sprinting away.
I'm not going to even blame him because Shaheed, you don't know if you should throw further, so because you can catch up with his speed or the usual throw, and he might overrun that, or you might get picked because it's underthrown for his speed. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. Somebody on the Seahawks got ball knowledge when it comes to sneakers. Yo, Young. That's his name? Wait, what? Yeah, this guy right here. 63, 83. Yeah, 83. This nigga right here, he got ball knowledge. That nigga got Seahawk colorways and said, I want the Dome Becker 4s. The one, it would have been better if you had the Superman logo somewhere, but yo, he got ball knowledge for sure. He got ball knowledge to get that custom made. Imagine he spent that amount of money just to put some spikes under. Hold on, let me. Dome Becker 4. Oh, I forgot the Superman logo's on the tongue, so maybe he had it. I don't know. Ooh, close. Drake May. Drake May. All right.
Quarterback in the league numerically gets out to the 37-yard line. 50 to go.
All right.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Julian Love has it. Love 50. Love 40 and out of bounds at the 36-yard line.
Yo, bro.
Got nothing for you here.
I gotta check Twitter, bro. I gotta just search up Drake May and filter it to the top comments. I gotta see what niggas said about this game, bro.
Was going to be completed. I think it got hit.
There's gonna be so many excuses made for him. I already seen Will Campbell on an Amazon uniform. Like, bro.
And the pick for Julian Love, 7th year in the league, out of Notre Dame. The leaders of this Seattle defense. He comes up with
All right, Kenneth Walker.
Walker to the right, got a couple edge blocks.
This nigga is nice, bro.
25-yard line.
He's I think I already said that. He's a free agent too. Damn, how many free agents Seahawks got? God damn, 75 got a belly on him. Shit. All right, Darnold.
Slings it left.
All right, Jason. Jonathan Jones. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that's the wrong cover man to put on him. Myers, top 3 MVP candidate for the Super Bowl. Oh, sit down. Byron Murphy. Damn. D-line going crazy. I wasn't even that high on them on their D-line. More so just their overall defense. Emmanuel had a good game. I didn't see much of him. I think I seen like one tackle he made. He was hyped and then I never seen him again. Oh! Oh! That's how they got to 29 points? Oh my God. Drake May is ass.
Same blitz, right? They're going to come here. They're going to go there. And here's the side because as a quarterback,
let me see this play call.
To that side, but he has not seen.
Okay, nah, I can't blame him too much. Okay.
He hasn't had an answer for it. He did show a few answers, but you just have to sometimes tip your cap to the other team.
Damn.
We're physically tougher,
Damn.
stronger.
Yo, 76 got some nice ass cleats too. They got some shiny ruby ass looking shoes.
And it comes out, and Nwosu comes up and gets it.
They look like dunks or something.
Right out of the air.
No, Jordan 1s. Nigga, did I just see a reverse Nike on the shoes? I'm sorry, I'm a shoe fanatic. Hold on.
Right out of the air.
Yeah, it was reverse Nike. So I read like some Travises or some shit. Custom Travises.
Sam Darnold's the first USC.
Nigga must have Nike ID'd them hoes. Alright. Damn, man. That nigga know he won MVP.
Defense back. Dark side defense has been lights out.
To these receivers from New England.
May
Damn. Good Douglas.
Stop and start. Get close.
If I had blurred vision, I would have thought that was Stephon. Diggs must have taught him that. That shit looked like something Stephon would do. Oh. Okay, Diggs. Nigga spun the ball, bro. Yo, these niggas got no shame sometimes. God damn, my nigga. I ain't gonna lie, Diggs. Oh. Okay, that was interesting. How do you fuck that throw up?
And I think May thought that.
Wow, yeah, he got it.
I think May thought that he had made a mistake. He grabbed his helmet as soon as he threw it.
I can't tell. I don't know. Just give it to him. It don't matter. These niggas fucking took a L. Nah, he caught it. 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 All right, Drake May. 2-point attempt.
Henry is hit hard as he went up for that ball. And both players involved in the collision. Youngest head coach to
Okay. Damn. It is over. He threw another pick. Oh. Henderson. Damn. It's over. It's over. It's over.